Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get new fences and grow a garden. If you go to the cosmetic shop and talk to Isaac, you're going to see that there is a fences tab now, which you can use to buy like fences. I don't know. Okay, so there's this one's cute. I'm just going to purchase it. I don't think the sweet lantern is a fence, or the the garden lanterns is a fence. Yeah, I think these are just cosmetics, but I think I purchased like all of them already. So this is what the light fence looks like. There's also the dark lantern fence that I purchased yesterday. There's also the bamboo fence, the vine fence, the ancient oak fence, and then the flower fence, and the one that I just purchased, which is the fairy light fence. Super cute. But yeah, those are the new fences. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.